Happy New Year to all of my fellow royal family members. You're a royal family member if you're subscribed, just saying. But Happy New Year. Let's make a dream board with my Christmas tree in the background. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AudreyAnn, and today we are making a 2021 dream board. I've never made a dream board before. I made one actually for like October and November of 2019, so a long time ago, but I really wanted to start a new one. I got this idea from a YouTuber named Scholl. She's done a bunch of New Year dream boards, and I have been like watching a crap ton of videos about them, and I really wanted to make one, so we're gonna make one today. Okay, so I ordered some photos from Walmart the other day, and they cropped them wrong and they were really big. So I went to Walgreens today and got more photos, but they ended up being smaller than expected. So we're just gonna see what happens. So we got the Walmart, we got the Walgreens. This is one of the big ones from Walmart, and these are the little ones from Walgreens. Okay, so this is the difference between Walgreens and Walmart, and I can't decide which one to do. Look how small and big that is. Let me show you the big ones. So here's some of the big ones I'm deciding whether or not I should use. Look how huge these are. Wow, these are huge. So we're just gonna have to decide between the big ones and the small ones. I really don't know, but at this point I don't care. So I have my poster board on the floor, and I really don't know if I should use the shiny side or the non-shiny side. I really don't know. I've seen everybody cover up the sticker with the photo, so maybe I'm supposed to do this side. I think we'll do this side, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this side. So I have my poster board. Let me get the photos. Before I make my dream board, if you don't know what a dream board or a vision board is, it's the same thing. It is based on the law of attraction, where if you see something and take action, it will happen. And if you think about it or something like that. I'm sure there's a lot of websites talking about what the law of attraction is, but that's like my little quick thing. All these photos that I have are based off of my 2021 resolutions. Also, another thing, if you're watching this and making your own mood board, be specific. Don't say, I want to try new foods. Say, I want to try sushi. I want to try shrimp. I don't know, whatever you haven't eaten. If you want to try food, don't just say, I want to try food. Really put down on the photo exactly what food you want to try. Okay, so I actually don't know if I want to make half of one or a big one. Let me just lay all of these out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a small one, so let me cut this board real quick. Okay, so I just finished cutting them. Now I can have a smaller one or a bigger one. I'll probably end up using this one. So I'm gonna start with a central quote of the year, and you don't have to do this, I just wanted to do this. So mine says, become the you of your dreams. This is just a little inspiration to remember to be myself and become the person that I want to be. Become the person that I dream of being someday. So there's my little central quote. So I have all of the photos spread out. Please ignore the boxes. Again, I've just recently moved in and still trying to deal with everything. So let's just start with the first thing, whatever that is. So we have the main quote on. One of my first resolutions is to be cleaner. I'm not gonna show you my room because it is dirty, but it's not 2021 yet. So one of my resolutions is to be cleaner. I just have to decide if I want to use the small photo or not. This is the struggle of horrible printing. One of the most important things on my dream board this year is I want to save money. I will be turning 16 and I will have a job, and I want to start saving like a bunch of money, hoping to have like $1,000 in savings by the end of the year. That would be wonderful. So we're just gonna plop that over there. Also, on the topic of my 16th birthday, I want to have a huge birthday party. I'm not sure what that would look like, but I just really want to have a magnificent 16th birthday party. So there's that. Another thing that kind of goes along with the 16th birthday thing, I want to have my permit by the end of the year. So I have this really cute like pink car. I don't even know what car this is. I just saw it on Pinterest. We're just gonna put it on the board because I'm gonna have my permit by the end of the year. Next up, I want to be better at makeup because I'm not really the best, but I would love to practice and be like amazing. Honestly, I kind of would love to have this makeup look by the end of the year. I also want to use eyeliner. So we'll see how that goes. Next, I would love to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I photoshopped my subscriber count on the photo because Scholl said that you can't believe that it's going to happen unless you see it. Seeing is believing, believing is seeing. So if you see something that you want to achieve, you can achieve it. So, Photoshop. We love it. please subscribe. Next up is kind of a more personal one, but still an important one. It says, we won't cry for boys, our mascaras are too expensive. And there's also another photo that is from the Little Rascals, I believe. And that's just something for myself because the past few years I have really wanted a boyfriend, and I've never had a boyfriend before, never been on a date. My love life hasn't been very, I actually really don't have a love life, but I really want to start embracing my wonderful singleness. So here we go. I am going to be happy that I am single. Next is also a kind of personal one. This is a quote. It says, God, I'm all in. This is just a reminder to just remind myself that no matter what, I've always got God. I didn't mean for that to get deep, but. Next up is another one. I want to grow my wardrobe. I want it to be extremely pink and girly and just my personality. This is actually the big photo. This is the photo I'm gonna use. This is one of the most important ones, so it is going to go in the middle. I have a few more photos for the clothing. I have this. I just really love this outfit and it's super cute. And then, funny thing, I have another. I really like this outfit. It's so cute. And her mirror, oh my gosh. So yeah, just a few little fashion inspiration photos. And then I also have another one. I'm not sure if I'll be putting this up, but it is really cute. And I really just want to have a wardrobe that makes me feel happy. I didn't mention this earlier and I'm not sure why, but one of my main things this year is to see my best friend Katie. She has been in a few vlogs. I think she was in my birthday glow up and my girly beach trip vlog. And since I moved to Florida, we haven't seen each other, but I'm making it my goal to see my best friend this year. So I'm putting a picture right in the middle. Perfect. Another really important thing is self-love, and I'm not very good at that. So I really want to focus on loving myself more and just taking care of myself. So this is also going to go in the front. Also on the side of taking care of yourself is I want to have a better skincare routine. Mine is not the best, but I really want to have a consistent skincare routine. So that's gonna come over here by the self-love one. And keep in mind, don't tape any of these photos down except for your central quote, which should be in the middle, because you wanna be able to rearrange these however you need them to. Along with the self-love and the skincare, I also want to work out more. I really do not feel my healthiest and I really don't do much, so I would love to just feel good about myself and feel healthy and feel strong. So I just have these two little photos to encourage me to have an aesthetic workout. This kind of goes along with the saving money, but I really want to save up to go on vacation. I just want to start saving a crap ton of money so that I can go on vacation while I'm still young. I really think it's important to live your life as much as you can while you are still young and don't have anything tying you down. So I really want to travel more as a young single person. Next, I have this crown and Sharpay Evans and another little Sharpay Evans because I love just how confident and how totally herself she is. And also she is like so bougie. That's kind of what the tiara is meant for. I just want to be my bougie little extra little self and not care what other people think. Stay bougie and be fabulous. And finally, I just have a bunch of quotes. Some of these are part of a resolution, but others are just inspirational quotes. For example, this quote, it says, work to make yourself proud. This is just a reminder to work hard and make better videos because it makes me happy and I want to make myself proud with the videos I make and not hate them. This one says, do something today that your future self will thank you for. I really like this one because it's a reminder to not just wait until the future, oh, I can do that later. Do something that in the future will be so glad that you took care of this. For example, saving up. If you are 20 and you're like, I really want to travel a lot, but I haven't saved any money. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. So start saving now. If you know you're gonna want to travel in the future when you're still young, start saving now. This one says, I'm doing it for me because I want to start doing things because I want to do them and because it makes me happy. This one is pretty clear. It says, work hard so you can shop harder. I really don't think I need to say much more. This one says, keep your heels, head, and standards high. I love this quote so much. I feel like that also kind of goes with the bougie, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this little tiny one. Alright, so now I finally, after probably about 30 minutes, I got everything perfect how it needs to be, so now all I have to do is glue it down. So once you have everything set out perfectly, all you have to do is glue it or tape it down, and I'm gonna glue it down. Alright, so it is all finished and I am so excited. It's actually much later in the night because we just celebrated my older sister's birthday. Happy birthday if you're watching this, I love you. As soon as I finished gluing everything on, we left to go to Disney Springs, of course. But I did finish. And oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. So ignore my messy bed, but the final thing that you have to do is to put it on your wall somewhere where you will see it every day. And I'm gonna put it on this wall because this is by my bed. I'm gonna use this mounting putty. You can also use sticky tack or tape or whatever you wanna do. Once you're finished with your board, all you gotta do is stick it on the wall or tape it. Put it somewhere where you will see it every day and it will inspire you to get these little accomplishments done. I think that looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. You have no idea how excited I am. Oh my gosh. So I just realized that I forgot to write 2021 on it. Let me figure out a place to write that. Okay, so I just moved this over to the side and decided to put the 2021 there, and I just added some little hearts. It's horrible, but you know, it's fine. But I'm so excited with this. It looks so pretty and so pink, and I cannot wait for 2021. Oh my gosh, I literally can't wait. Okay, so now we are both done with our 2021 dream board. I'm so excited to accomplish these things. I think I'm probably going to do an updated version of this at the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited to see what kind of things happen. If you made a dream board with me, please comment down below. I will have Amber Scholl's video up, the one that inspired me to do this video. I will also have that down in the description. So yeah, thank you guys so much for following along with me to make my 2021 dream board. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and girly fashion and beauty videos, feel free to subscribe down below to become a part of our royal family and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. My Instagram is at love.AudreyAnn, so if you feel like it, you can follow me on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and Happy New Year. Bye!